Welcome to the Israel Ride instructional video series. We hope these videos will help you learn how to best prepare for the Israel Ride. In this video, we will go over how to use your fundraising portal. The fundraising portal is an incredible tool to help manage your fundraising. You can track who you've sent emails to, who has donated, and if you've thanked your donors. Emailing is one of the best ways to reach potential donors. Participants are generally able to raise more money by sending out more emails. On average, sending over 100 emails will increase your fundraising significantly. To log into your fundraising portal, go to the main Israel Ride website and click on the button in the upper right-hand corner. The homepage for the fundraising portal is designed to easily navigate between emails, your fundraising progress, and your personal page. Below, there is a handy checklist of steps to get you started. First, let's edit your donation page. This is the page the donors will donate through online, so it's very important to customize this to you. Make sure you update the title of the page, add a photo, and edit the text. Note, you cannot add photos or videos to the text of the page. Additionally, you can shorten the web address or URL to something more personal. Click on the URL settings to change it. This is a sample donation page of what the pages look like online. Notice the header and the photo have been personalized along with the text. Once you head back to the home page, click on Email. This takes you to the email composition section. We have uploaded templates for you to use, which you can see in the template drop-down section. You can also access any drafts you've created by clicking on the Drafts link to the right. To start, select a template and then click Next. Now you are in the editing section. Here you can tell your story and make your ask. Use this to explain why you are riding and why it is important to raise money for the Arva Institute and Hazon. Note, you cannot put links or photos in this email. Next, select your recipients. Here you can import contacts from your personal email, like Gmail or Yahoo. If you use Outlook, AOL, or anything else, you will need to export your contacts first and then upload them through the system. Click on Import Contacts and follow the prompts. We recommend sending yourself a test email before sending out more emails to your contacts. Always preview your email before sending. Make sure your donation page URL is listed and your contact information is correct. You can always save emails as templates or drafts and come back to them later. You can see the emails you've sent in the Sent link on the right. The fundraising portal has many more tools for you to use. If you are the captain of a team, you can edit your team page at the top. If you have check donations, you can enter the information on the right to streamline the gift entry process. Most importantly, don't forget to thank your donors. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions. We look forward to riding with you on the Israel Ride and seeing you in Jerusalem.